Adonai, Elohim, Abba Yahweh, in the name of Yeshua HaMashiach, on this day and in this hour, the Ruach HaKodesh is upon me. Let heaven bear the record. Let earth bear witness. And let Yahweh be the greater witness. According to my obedience to Yahweh, according to my faith in Yeshua, and according to my belief in Yahweh's word of truth, I decree my spiritual restoration. I decree my physical restoration. I decree my restitution. I decree my regeneration in my regenerated state. I decree the repair of my public way. I decree the spirit of restore is upon me, for I am restored in the sense of give back to me. And I decree the restoration of my former condition of health. I decree the divine restoration and the restoration of the conditions affected by it. And I decree the renewal of the covenant that was broken. I decree the giving of a person back. And I decree the bringing of a person back. I decree the financial restitution promised to me. I decree that I reclaim the land that belongs to me. I decree everything that has been completely furnished for me. I decree patience in my restoration. I decree the perseverance in my restoration. For I have accepted and I have agreed with the call of repentance. And I have turned to Yahweh. For my sins are completely wiped out. For I have received the promised times of refreshing upon me. And Yeshua HaMashiach has restored everything for me and has restored everything to me that needed to be restored in my complete life in the name of Yeshua. Abba, on this day and in this hour, I decree the stolen money that has been restored to me. I decree the stolen money has been restored to me 4 times the amount for my restitution. And let the fruit that I continue to walk in be kept in my repentance. Abba, on this day and in this hour, I decree the opening of my eyes of understanding. Abba, on this day and in this hour, I decree Yeshua HaMashiach gave a command to the impossible thing in my life that applies to me. And I used my obedience to Yeshua that was born in my faith in Yeshua. And Yeshua healed me completely according to the command of the impossible. Abba, on this day and in this hour, let heaven bear the record, and let earth bear witness. I decree that Yeshua gave a command to whatever thing and to whatever things that were impossible in my life, that were impossible in my financial wealth life. And Yeshua gave a command to whatever thing that was impossible in my creative life, that was impossible in my social life. Yeshua gave command to whatever thing that was impossible in my material life, and that was impossible in my relationship life. And Yeshua gave a command to whatever was impossible for me or impossible to me. Yeshua HaMashiach himself restored the impossible for me. And Yeshua made possible what was impossible for me to be restored. Yeshua HaMashiach himself gave a command that made the impossible become restored to possible in my life. I decree that I am a mature spiritual man with the ability to restore others in need of restoration. For I am led by the Spirit of Yahweh to deal with others in a gentle manner regarding restoration of men and women who believe Yahweh. Abba, I'm in agreement with the spirit of restoration. I believe the spirit of restoration. I receive the spirit of restoration. I have the spirit of restoration as I pray, Abba. I thank you for blessing me with your grace by giving me the spirit of restoration, by giving me the spirit of regeneration, and by giving me the spirit of restitution in the name of Yeshua HaMashiach. So let the spirit of restoration and let the spirit of regeneration and let the spirit of restitution be unto me and be upon me according to your word, my Lord, in the name of Yeshua HaMashiach. So let it be.